Well, will you look at that? The Dow's up almost 500 points. That's 1.8% just about. It's another rally on this election day. Market watcher Gregg Smith is with us. All right, Greg, nearly 500 points up, 400 yesterday. What's this market telling you?
Hey, good morning, Stuart. Happy election day. So where do we go from here? And people are asking, where do they put their money? And I'll tell you why I'm staying long the market and why I think equity will go higher. I think people, have been questioning, are we on the precipice of potentially another bear market that could be in line or even worse than what we saw earlier this year? We know the market peaked on September 2nd. We did see two notable drawdowns in the market. We saw about a 10.6% decline in September. We saw a 9% pullback in October. And there's probably five key issues on investors' minds sitting here today. We have a surge in infections and additional lockdowns in the EU. We have questions about a vaccine. We have questions about stimulus and timing of that. We have the potential for a contested election. And certainly, will there be a blue sweep of the Senate that causes greater economic policy uncertainty?
Well, wait a minute. The answer to all of those is no. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but look, we got a huge rally here. I mean, the market doesn't seem that concerned about new infections or a blue wave. They seem to be into this election figuring that either Biden wins and spends big or Trump wins and spends big.
I agree with you. I don't think today's outcome will impact the market. I want to sound the alarm bell and state one obvious thing, right? With a 0% interest rate environment, we have come to the end of the era of a balanced model portfolio where treasuries would act as a buffer in times of market dislocation for investors' portfolios. So with that being said, there's nowhere else to be. You're either going to be in equities and equity-linked products, or are you going to go out and buy gold and Bitcoin? So you tell me. Corporate earnings have been good, and I think the market will continue to trade higher.
All right. We got Greg, I'm sorry, I'm out of time. A hard break coming up. But look, thanks for joining us. You joined us at the very moment that the Dow hit the high of the day, and that's where we are, up nearly 500 points. Yeah, going. Oh, you got that one in. Well done, lad. All right. This is Election Day. You're watching Varney and Company.